How many rental properties do you own?
Yeah, I have over 75 rental units. I think it's probably around like 80 to 82 right now.
What do you think about people who think that landlords are totally evil and scammy and all that?
Yeah, I think it's a common misconception. Landlords provide a need for the marketplace. Not everybody is ready to buy a home at that given time. I think it is important for people to own their homes in their communities. I think it is important that landlords do not own all the homes. It should be predominantly homeowners. I think that's what makes good communities and good neighborhoods. But there is a need for landlords just for people who aren't ready to buy at that time.